Hello guys, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. And shout out po kay Sir Victor. Sir, shout out po sa inyo dyan. This is your unit. The ENC Glock 45. Code number 1305. Gas blowback airsoft pistol. So, ito po, i-review natin. Bali, ito po yung mga kasama sa package nyo, sir, na unit. The green gas, Pop Dino brand, standard power number 12. And then yung bala, 4,000 shots. Ang timbang is 0.23 grams. Airsoft BBs, plastic BBs. This is 5.95 millimeter. At yung order nyong extra magazine, nilagyan ko na siya ng silicone oil, dalawang bulb, inlet, tsaka outlet, tsaka inlet. This is WE brand, yung ating Glock 17 na extra mag, sir. Compatible po siya. Test natin later. And this is the ENC brand, or S-Crane. Yan, airsoft pistol. This one is 1305, code number 1305, EC 1305 Glock. This one is the Glock 45. Okay, buksan na natin. Okay, comes with the ENC manual. Okay. And the unit. So, may mga oil pa siya, sir. Ayan. Glock 45 with the markings. This is the ENC brand. Ayan. Serrated na yung slide niya, front. Serrated na rin po yung slide niya, rear. Okay, yung sight design. And outline of sight. So, para siyang half square. And then, sa front is white dot. Okay, markings. This one is engraved po sa slide. Naka-engrave po siya. Yan. Glock 45. Okay. 24 rounder capacity magazine. So, magazine niya ay the same siya sa Glock 17. Para sila ng size. Yan. This one is the Gen 5 model. Okay. Gen 5. Yung kanyang slide stop ay ambidextrous na. Magkabilaan po yan. Okay. Gen 5. Threaded barrel na rin po siya for tracer units. Pwede mo siyang lagyan ng tracer units yan. May thread na po yan. Yung kanyang barrel. Tapos, pwede kang maglagay dito ng accessories, flashlight. Okay, ayan. Again, this is the ENC Glock 45. ENC brand. Okay, unit of Sir Victor. Okay, then lagyan natin ng gas. Upside down press. Okay, then yung isa, ito po yung WE magazine. Okay. Okay, now, itetest natin, sir, yung, itetest natin yung EPS niya, kung ilang EPS. Kunin ko lang yung ating chrono. Okay, load lang tayo ng BBs. Ilagyan lang natin siya ng 3 lang muna. Okay, so ngayon po, testing natin yung chronograph, yung EPS. Testing natin. Okay. Tingnan po natin kung ilang EPS. So again, this is your ENC Glock 45 gas blowback pistol. Airsoft gas blowback pistol. Testing. Okay, 287.6. 287.6. Next. 297.4. Last. Okay, 292.5. Okay. And then, open chamber. Wala ng bala. Okay, wala ng bala. Release mo lang yung mag by pressing the mag release. Then, etong slide po, pull back. Pull back mo lang siya. Then, bababa po yung slide stop. Then, release. Okay? So, proceed tayo. Shooting test naman po tayo. Ite-test po natin yung dalawang mag, yung WE tsaka yung stock. Okay? Reload tayo para sa shooting test. Lagyan lang natin ng bala. WE ito. Yung mag ng WE. Okay, 6 shots. So, kailangan po alternating yung bala, sir, no? Kailangan walang space. Ito yung stock. So, bali yung stock, walang markings dito sa ilalim. Yung extra mag, meron siyang WE Tactical, made in Taiwan. Okay, 6 shots then. Okay. Shooting test. Okay, Sir Victor, this is your Airsoft gas blowback Glock 45 by ENC. Shooting test tayo. So, bali nakasalpak diyang mag yung stock. Okay. Firing. Firing. Okay. Open chamber. Okay, release lang natin yung mag. Then, ito po yung extra magazine nyo, sir. Yan, WE. Salpak natin. And then, hatak mo lang tong slide. Then, release. Okay. Firing. Okay, ubusin lang natin yung bala. Okay, so compatible po siya sa WE magazine po. yung ating ENC ay compatible sa WE magazine. Okay, wala po tayong available na extra mag for ENC. So, pwede po ang WE. Okay, release the mag. And then, pull back the slide, release, hammer down. Okay. So, again, Sir Victor, okay na po ang inyong unit. This is the Airsoft Glock 45 by ENC. Ayan. So, if you have more question, message lang sa aming Facebook page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Thank you, sir.